Hey, what's up, guys? Ryan Coovert here, S&P Real Estate, powered by Keller Williams. I found a really cool feature on the Keller Williams app I wanted to share with everybody. Super handy. So let's open the Keller Williams app and let's find a property. Here's one in Fox's Den and Peculiar. And then you scroll down to commute times. And here you can set different places, work, home, wherever you want to be, your mom's house. So my wife's a nurse at Children's Mercy, so let's use that for an example. Children's Mercy Hospital. Boom, and you can see from Peculiar, it's 34-minute commute for her. You can click it and actually get directions if you wanted to. And then after you add it, it saves to your phone. So let's say actually we want to move downtown to the Brookside area. So we'll scroll down there. Let's find a home for sale. Here's one for $470. So we click on it and then we pull it up. And if you go back down to commute times, there it is. It's saved. It's only a 13-minute drive from that location. So you can also click biking or walking, depending on what kind of transportation you have. So it's a really cool feature. I just want to share that with you guys. If you haven't downloaded the KW app, I'll add a link here in the post. Feel free to give it a shot. It works great. All the new features on it are really awesome. So yeah, hopefully that helps you guys out.